Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. My name is Tawfiq Omer, math teacher. In this video I will explain chapter 1, linear models and rates of change. Lesson 2, part C, different form of the equation of a line. Different form of the equation of a line. We have 6 forms for the equation of a line. The first one, general form, which absolute value ax plus absolute value by plus c equal to 0, where absolute value a plus absolute value b not equal to 0. To find slope here, we use this equation m slope equal minus a over b. The second form is point slope form. If you have a point x1 y1 and a slope m, then equation y minus y1 equal mx minus x1. Every time if we have a point and slope, we use this form to find equation of a line. The third one is slope intercept form, y equal mx plus b. If we have slope and vertical intercept, we use this form to find the equation of the line. The fourth form of vertical line, x equal k. K is as horizontal intercept, m is undefined it here. Fifth form of horizontal line, y equal k. K is vertical intercept and m is 0. The last one is the x and y intercept form, x over a plus y over b equal 1, when a is an horizontal intercept and b is a vertical intercept. Example number 1. Which of the equation below is the equation of a line passing through a point 1 minus 2 and its slope equal 3? First of all, we have a slope is 3 and we have a point 1 minus 2. It is x1 y1. Here we use slope point form, y minus y1 equal mx minus x1. Replacing m is equal 3 and x1 is 1 and y1 is minus 2. Y minus 2 equal 3x minus 1. Open brackets. Y plus 2 equal 3x minus 3. 3 times x is 3x, 3 times 1 is 3. And now take y from left to right and minus 3 from right to left. It becomes 3x minus y is equal 3 plus 2. Then 3x minus y is equal 5. We can see that the correct answer is A. Example number 2. Which of the following equation is the equation of a line passing through a point 1 1 and its slope is equal minus 2? Because we have a slope and a point, we will use the slope point form, which is y minus y1 equal mx minus x1, when m is minus 2 and x1 is 1 and y1 is 1. Then y minus y1 is 1 equal m is minus 2 x minus x1. Then y minus 1 is equal minus 2 times x minus 2x minus time minus is plus 2 times 1 is 2. Take minus 2x from right to left and minus 1 from left to right. Then 2x plus y is equal to plus 1. Then 2x plus y is equal 3. We can see that the correct answer is B. Use this form to find the equation of a line every time you have slope and a point. Example number 3. Slope of the line 3x plus 2y equal 5 is. To find the slope of a line in the general form, we use m equal minus a over b. When a is, here in this equation, a is 3 and b is 2. A is 3, b is 2. Then it equal minus a is 3 over 2. Then it is minus 3 over 2. We can see that the correct answer is D. Example number 4. What is the value of A if the line 2x minus ay equal 12 passing through the point 1 minus 2? Every time if you have any line passing through a known point, satisfy its equation. That means the point 1 minus 2 satisfy the equation 2x plus ay equal 12, which means if we replace it in state of x1 and in state of y is minus 2, then the left side would equal the right side. And now to find the value of a, replace x equal 1 and y equal minus 2 in the equation, which become 2 times x is 1 minus a times y, which is minus 2. A times minus 2 is equal 12. 2 times 1 is 2, and minus a times minus 2 is plus 2a equal 12. Dividing by 2, 1 plus a is equal 6. Take 1 from left to right, then a is equal 6 minus 1, a is 5. We can see the correct choice is B. Example number 5. Which of the following statement is correct? A. Slope of the equation 3x minus y equal 5. It is minus 3. Now we must find the slope of this equation using m equal minus a over b, when here we have a is equal to 3 and b is equal minus 1. B is equal minus 1. Then replacing is equal minus a is 3, b is minus 1. Minus times minus is plus. 3 divided 1 is equal 3. Then the slope of this equation is 3, not minus 1. That means this is not correct. Number B, vertical intersection of the equation 3x minus y equal 5 is minus 3. To find the vertical intersection, replace x equal to 0. It becomes 3 times 0 minus y is equal 5. 3 times 0 is 0, then minus 1 is equal 5. It becomes y equal minus 5. Then the vertical intersection is not minus 3, is minus 5. This means it is not a correct statement. C. Slope of the equation of a line 3x plus y is equal 3. M equal minus a over b. Here a is 3 and b is 1. Then it equal minus 3 over 1, which is minus 3. The slope of this line is minus 3, not 3. Then that means 3 is not correct. In D, the vertical intersection of the equation 3x plus y equal 2 is equal to, let x be 0, and then 3 times 0 plus y is equal to 3 times 0 is 0, 0 plus y is y equal to 2. That means the intersection is 2 and intersection is 2. That means D is a correct answer. Example number 6. Which of the following equation of a line its slope is equal m minus 3? Find the slope of these equations by using m equal minus a over b. A is 3 and b is minus 1. Then slope is equal minus a, which means minus 3, over b, which is minus 1. Minus 3 over minus 1 is 3. It's not equal minus 3. Then a is not correct. And now take b. In b, we can see that a is 1, and b is minus 3. Then m is equal minus a, which is 1, over b, which is minus 3. It means minus divided by minus is plus, then 1 over 3. 1 over 3 is not equal minus 3. Then it is not correct choosing. And now find the slope of C. We can see that A is here is 6 and B is 2. Then slope is equal minus A, which is minus 6, over 2. Minus divided by plus is minus. 6 divided by 2 is 3. We can see that is equal to 3. That means the correct answer is C. That means the correct answer is C. Example number 7. Which of the following equation of a line has a different slope? Here we must find the slope of all these lines. Let's take A. You can see A is 3 and B is minus 1. Then the slope of A is equal, M is equal minus A, which is minus 3, over B, which is minus 1, minus 3 over minus 1 is 3. The B, in the B you can see that A is 1 and B is minus 3. Then slope is equal minus A, which is 1, over B, which is minus 3, is equal 1 over 3. C, you can see that comparing this equation with equation of slope intercept, mx plus b, we can see that m is 3, slope is 3. And now, and b is y-intercept. In D, you can see that A is 6 and B is minus 2. Then M is equal minus 6 over minus 2, which equal 3. In A is 3, in C is 3, in D is 3, then but in the B is 1 over 3, then the different slope is B. That means B is a correct answer. Example number 8. Which of the following equation of a line has an equal slope with the equation y equals 3x plus 2? First of all, taking the given equation, y is equal 3x plus 2, finding its slope, compare this form with the form slope intersection, y is equal mx plus b. You can see that m is 3 and b is 2. Then we have slope f is 3. And now find the slope of all other equations. A, you can see that A is 3 and B is minus 2. Then the slope is equal minus 3 over minus 2, which equals 3 over 2. It's not equal to 3. Then it is not a correct answer. In the B, you can see that A is 1 and B is minus 3. Then slope is minus 1 over minus 3, which equal 1 over 3. It is not 3, then B is not correct. Number C, you can see that A is 6 and B is 2. Then slope is equal minus 6 over 2, which equal minus 3. Minus 3 not equal to 3. Then C is not correct answer. D, you can see that A here is 6 and B is minus 2. Then slope is equal minus 6 over minus 2, which equal 3. This one is equal to 3. Then the correct answer is D. Two lines are parallel if and only if their slope is equal, which means two lines are parallel if slope of one of them is equal to the slope of the other. Example number 9. The product of the slope of any of these following equation with the slope of equation y equal 1 over 3x minus 1 is equal minus 1. Which means if we find the slope of this equation and slope of this equation, and product of them must be minus 1. So that we first think we finding this the slope of this equation by comparing this one with the equation of slope intersection, which is y is equal mx plus b. Then you can see that m is 1 over 3. M is equal to 1 over 3. And now find the slope of each these lines. The first one, slope of A, is equal minus 3 over minus 1. Minus A is 3, over minus 1, which is B, minus 1. Then it equal 3. If we producted these two numbers, 3 times 1 over 3 is equal 1, not equal minus 1. Then it is not a correct answer. And now we take B. MB is equal minus A is 1 over B is 3 minus 1 over 3, which is minus over 1 over 3. If we producted these two numbers, minus 1 over 3 times 1 over 3 is minus 1 over 9, is not minus 1. Then it is not a correct answer. We take C. M of C is equal minus 6 over 2. Minus 6 over 2. When A is 6 and B is 2, then it is minus 3. And now take the slope of D equal minus 6 over minus 2 with 3. If we multiplied it, the slope of D with the slope of the given function is equal 1, is not a correct. Then if we take the slope of C, multiplied it with the 1 over 3, which is the slope of the given function, is equal 1 over 3 times minus 1. Cancelling 3 with 3 is equal minus 1 times 1 is minus 1. Then it is equal minus 1. Then C is a correct answer. Two straight lines are perpendicular if and only if the product of their slope is equal minus 1, which means if slope of the first one times the slope of the second one must be minus 1. Example number 10. Which of the following lines are the equation of a line passing through the 2 points 3, 0 and 0 minus 2? Because we have an x-intercept and y-intercept, we will use the form of x and y-intercept. X over a plus y over b is equal 1. Because we have a is 3 here and b is minus 2, then x over a is 3 plus y over minus 2 is equal 1. Plus times minus is minus. Then x over 3 minus y over 2 is equal 1. We can see the correct answer is C. Example number 11. Which of the following points is the point of x-intercepts for the line x over 2 minus y over 5 equal minus 1? Compare this line equation with the x over a plus y over b, which equal 1. We have a given function x over 2 minus y over 5 equal minus 1. Timing with minus 1, it become x over minus 2 plus minus time minus is plus y over 5, which equal 1. And now compare with this one, we can see that a is minus 2, then minus 2 0 is a x-intercept of this function. Or you can find this in other way by replacing y equal to 0 and find x. You can do that. Example number 12. If the equation of a line x over 3 minus 2y equal 1, what is its y-intercept? X over 3 minus 2y equal 1. Let x be 0 to find y-intercept. Then 0 over 3 minus 2y is equal 1. 0 over 3 is 0. Minus 2y minus 2y is equal 1. Dividing by minus 2, then y is equal minus 1 over 2. Then 0 minus 1 over 2 is the y-intercept. Then the correct answer is D. Here we came to the end of the video. Please could you share it with your friends so that everyone get benefit. Please write your comment and your subscribe to the page to encourage us. Also press like and ring the bell. Thank you for watching and goodbye.